In this video, let me guide you through how to fix Discord microphone volume too low or quiet. First, open the Discord application and click on User Settings in the bottom left corner. Scroll down and select Voice and Video. Next, under Input Device, make sure your microphone is selected. For the output device, select your speakers or headphones, as this is separate from your microphone. After that, turn the input volume slider up to full and do the same for the output volume. Now press the Let's Check button to test your microphone volume. If the issue persists, scroll down to Input Sensitivity and disable this feature. After that, check if the problem is resolved. Now your microphone volume should be fixed. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.